Alright guys, welcome back to tips and tricks with the Fujifilm x100v. So you just got this new camera, and before you hit the streets, there's two things I need you to do. First, you're going to hit the main menu. You're going to go to user settings. From there, I'm going to have you go in and format your new memory card. Press that, hit OK, let that thing format. The worst thing that you want to do is be out trying to shoot and have a memory card that has photos on it, because to do this, you're going to have to delete all of the images that are on there, or two, get out and start getting an error and miss the shots that you were trying to get, trying to understand what is going on with formatting your memory card. Second is we're going to hit the main menu again. We are going to go back to the little wrench. We're going to go back up to user settings. I want you to go down to sound and flash. It says it's on. I want you to click on that, and I want you to turn that off. There's nothing worse than bruising a scene by the shutter going off or a flash and it throwing somebody off so that they start looking or questioning what you're trying to shoot, and it actually ruins the shot that you're trying to get. So hit those two settings, and I'll see you guys in the next tips and tricks video. See ya.